A young family is enjoying a once-in-a-lifetime vacation in Alaska. As they fly over a remote and pristine glacier, taking in the sights, a surprise storm rolls in, leaving the family stranded high in the mountains. Fortunately, a team of guardian angels, commonly known as pararescuemen, are standing by. This is where our adventure begins. Guardian Angel: Rescue on the Glacier is a one-of-a-kind illustrated storybook written for children. It's the real-life story of survival and determination that captivated the city of Anchorage over 4 long days during the summer of 2010. As the sun slips behind the mountains and parents are tucking their kids into bed, our heroes are just beginning their trek upwards into the raging blizzard. Hurricane-force winds blast the men, knocking them over at times, but they help each other back up and continue climbing towards the family in distress. 4 days on the glacier, 8 lives saved, countless lessons learned. Guardian Angel: Rescue on the Glacier. Buy it today on Amazon.com.